G'day groomers. Just thought I'd do a short video on left and right hand scissors. As some people may not know, there is such a thing, and that left hand scissor used in your right hand and a right hand scissor used in your left hand won't work as they should. So the way I try to explain it or identify the difference between a true left and a true right hand scissor is when a right hand scissor is in the right hand, that thumb blade, so the blade in which your thumb goes through the eyelet of the scissor, that blade should be on the inside, so it should be facing to the left hand side. So here, thumb blade, that thumb blade is on the inside or facing to the left. Now if I was to put that into my left hand, you'll note that is not the case. That thumb blade is now on the outside. It should be on the inside. So if we take our left hand scissor, if we put it in our left hand, you'll see thumb blade is on the inside, like what I class as the inside. It's facing to the right. So if we put that left hand scissor in my right hand, you'll see that that thumb blade is now facing outwards or to the right hand side. Confusing? I'm starting to get confused myself. So why won't a left hand scissor work effectively when it's in your right hand? So scissors, or they're often called shears, they need to have a shearing action. So that means that they need to have the two blades meshing together, and that happens through a natural progression when two fingers come together with the scissor and they naturally want to mesh those two blades together. They naturally want to shear the material that's in between those two edges. Now, for example, if we were to use the left hand scissor in the right hand, I'm inclined to sort of push that thumb blade out and separate those edges. So you can see there, it's not a natural movement where the two blades want to mesh when I use a left hand scissor in the right hand. So the same goes for the right hand scissor. When the right hand scissor is in the right hand, those two blades, because I'm naturally inclined to push that thumb across, they will mesh those two blades together. And if I put them in the left hand side, if my blades or fingers or hand naturally want to push the two blades, instead of pushing them together and creating that shearing motion, I'm actually separating them and not allowing that shear to do its job, or scissor to shear that material. Alright, well that's the difference between a left hand scissor and a right hand scissor, and hopefully I haven't confused you. If you like the content, please like it and share for future videos. Thank you.